To share your album on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In the following video, I'll guide you to share the album of Google Photos. Now there are various methods of doing it. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to open Google Photos from a device. So after opening Google Photos, here you will see the option of Photos, Collection, Create, Search, and all of it. So you just need to select the photos which you want to share, or you just need to select it and click on the option of Add to Album. Firstly, you just need to create an album to share it. So I'll simply give a title like this. After doing this, here you will see the option of three dots at the very top right. So click on it. So after doing all of it, here you will see the option of share at the very bottom. So click on the option of share, and you just need to give permission to all of the things which it asks for. And from here, you may also click on the option of get link, or you may simply share the album with WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or even you may mail the album to the person you like to share with. So if you click on the option of create link, you just need to create the link like this, and you just need to go to Messenger, WhatsApp, or any platform you want to share with, and you just need to paste the link on it like this, and you just need to click on the option of share. So that's it. That's how you can share the album of Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.